Here's how to install a Rain-X Quantum blade on an I&L type arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Next, insert the curved tab of the wiper arm into the square opening of the wiper blade connector and rotate it until it clicks into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the yellow sticker. Repeat this action for the other side. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your blades again. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean and dry. Turn on the wiper blades and run the wipers dry at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then spray your washer fluid. The water repelling technology has been activated. It's that simple. You're done.